Waterfront at McLean is a fantastic community that offers 5 unique home sites overlooking Lake Wylie, cul-de-sac location, half-acre home sites in Belmont, which is a hot community in the Charlotte market. Very convenient to the airport and uptown Charlotte with great schools. It's a wonderful opportunity. At Waterfront at McLean, we've got 10 wonderful floor plans to choose from. From our 2,000 square foot Arcadia plan, a 1-story home that will have a walkout basement, all the way up to our 4,100 plus square foot Devonshire plan. Just a grand home. And each plan is offered in multiple elevations. The Nottingham is a wonderful plan for this community. It features a main floor owner suite. It's 3,600 square feet with a 2-story great room, huge kitchen. You can have a 2-story fireplace. This is just a great plan that would fit well on these home sites. Keystone Custom Homes offers a unique opportunity to really build the home the way you want it, with thousands of options. It truly is custom home building without the custom home builder price. Waterfront at McLean is a rare opportunity. 5 beautiful home sites overlooking Lake Wylie, basement lots. This is a fantastic opportunity that you really can't find anywhere else.